इन दैट केस आपका जो वर्ब है वो इंट्रांसिटिव होगा, यानी कि वो होगा जो आपका कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं लेगा, और जो वर्ब फॉर्म होगी ऑफ द सेंटेंस दैट इज इन द कंटिन्यूअस एस्पेक्ट, इन द प्रोग्रेसिव एस्पेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द क्राइंग बेबी वोक मिस्टर बिनियम. अब आपका जो क्राइंग बेबी है, आपने इसमें बेबी वॉज क्राइंग and it actually was the one who woke Mr. Binion. So आपका baby is responsible, he is doing the action. So the crying baby woke Mr. Binion. So यहाँ पर आपने जो crying है that is the baby. The purring kitten snuggled close to the fireplace. The kitten was purring actually. So आपने इस purring को आपने kitten के साथ mention किया है because आपका जो kitten है that is responsible for the action. He is actually the doer. The blooming flowers in the meadow created a rainbow of colors. Now this blooming, this present continuous हमने use किया है अपने flowers के साथ because they are the one who is doing the action. So they are responsible for it. So that's why we write the present continuous verb with this one who is doing, who is the action, the doer is the flowers. Now comes the past participle is used as an adjective when the noun it modifies to is the receiver of an action. So far हमने example देखी, अपने present continuous को आपने use किया as a participle modifier for a noun who was responsible for doing an action, who was a doer. However, जब आपने past participle को as an adjective use करना है, तो ऐसे में आपका जो noun होगा, which this past participle as adjective is referring to, is modifying to, is the one who is receiving an action, is not the one who is doing an action. The sentence from which this adjective comes from is generally in the passive aspect. अब हम इसको further study करते हैं. For example, the sorted mail was delivered to the offices before noun. Now आपने past participle use किया which is sorted. Mail is the one who is receiving an action. Who is delivering them? Somebody is delivering them to the office. So the mail is being received. So these are the passive one. They are not doing an action. तो इसके साथ आपने past participle को as adjective use किया है. The mail had been sorted. Somebody sorted them. So they are the receiver of the action. Frozen food is often easier to prepare than the fresh food. Again इसमें आपने past participle use किया है. Food has been frozen by someone. So food is being received. He is not doing an action. He is receiver of an action. The imprisoned men were unhappy with their living conditions. The men had been imprisoned. So he is the one who is receiving an action. तो इसलिए आपने यहाँ पे past participle को as an adjective के तौर पे use किया है with